So, this super short lesson, we're going to do the triangle inequality theorem, where you determine if three sides make a triangle. All it means is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third. So for it to be a triangle, when you add two of them together, it has to be more than the third side. So if we add D and E together, it has to be greater than F. So what's 14 plus 19?
Oh, that's easy.
No, that's easy.
33. And is 33 greater than 11?
Yes.
Fantastic. So we can move to the next one. D plus F. So what's 14 plus 11?
25.
And is 25 greater than 19?
Yeah.
Fantastic. We can move on to the last one. E plus F. Is what's 19 plus 11?
30.
And is 30 greater than 14?
Yes.
Fantastic. This makes a triangle. So you just write yes and you move on. That's all you have to do. Now, an easy way to do it is you add up the two smaller sides, and if it's greater than the third, then it's a triangle. You don't have to add up the bigger ones because obviously they're going to be bigger than the small one. So let's look at this page. I'm going to do it here. Is that okay? So, do these lengths make up the sides of a triangle? You can add the smaller of the two sides together to see if it's bigger than the bigger one. So what's 10 plus 4?
14.
Is 14 greater than 18?
No.
So you write that 14 is not greater than 18. This is not a triangle. That's it. That's all you have to do. So can you do these next two without me?
Every time.
Yep.
Chill out, Trey.
Yes. So on number 2, what I would do is I would do 70 plus 90, see if it's greater than 150. And then I would do, if it is, then you need to do the others as well. That's a good question. So start by doing that. And then you would do 70 plus 150 and see if it's greater than 90. And then you would do 90 plus 150 and see if it's greater than 70. Like that. Does that help? To prove it to me, yeah.
You have to write it down.
If you can just write that 70 plus 90, which is 160, you can write 160 is greater than 150. Yeah, that's fine. So, are all of these true statements? So this is a triangle.
Did you have to do all those triangles? I mean, no. Did you have to do all those?
Yes, because if you have one that disproves it, then it's not a triangle. So you want to check all of them. The reason that we only did one here was because it was automatically a no. But since we started with 70 plus 90, and that gave us 160, that's bigger than 150, so we move to the next one. Because we have to make sure that none of them disprove our theory. Okay? Do I understand? What we just add numbers together and see when it's bigger than the third. What don't we understand?
I thought so. All of them have to be yes.
Yes.
So why would you have to do the rest of these?
These are different problems, baby.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is one problem. This is one triangle. And then this is another triangle. And then now we're doing a third triangle. So these are 3 separate triangles. Okay. So y'all do number 3 without me. I'm super proud. Go to the next page. What'd y'all get? Oh my gosh. Yes, baby. Is 2.2 plus 8.9 greater than 15.2? So the answer is no. And we move on to the next page. Does everybody understand? Are we sure? Okay. Now do these without me. Are those all true statements on number 1?
Yeah.
So, yes, it makes a triangle. What about on number 2? Are we done with number 3? No, we're not done, or no is our answer? Okay. Do we get no?
Yes.
So yes, yes, no? Fantastic. That's today's lesson. That's all you have to do. So your homework is this page. Everybody get this page out. Everybody gets 2. It's 2 pages. Who is Patricia?
That's my mom's name.
I'm Gregory.
Okay, y'all just go.
Okay. It says determine if the 3 numbers given can be 3 sides of a triangle. If so, color the problem on the mandala with a dark color. So if it's yes, you're going to color number 1 a dark color. You get to pick the color.
So much work.
I would have got it for you, but I'm waiting for you.
Okay, so if it's yes, you color it a dark color. If it's no, you color it a light color. That's it. And what it means by problem number is this is problem number 1. This is problem number 2. Why are you standing up? This is problem number 4. This is problem number 5. Does everybody understand? Fantastic. If you get done with that and you want to get your work for tomorrow, you can come up here to my desk and get your work for tomorrow.